AutoCAD stands for the AutoCAD is automatic computer aided designing and drafting. AutoCAD. What is CAD? The CAD means computer aided designing and drafting. The designing which we done, the designing and drafting which is done with the help of computers. Computer aided means with the help of computer. The designing and drafting done with the help of computers is known as AutoCAD. So that is what basically AutoCAD is. Designing done with the help of computers. So see, everyone uses it, be it civil engineer, mechanic, everyone uses it. So this is very important. So now I will show you the interface of AutoCAD. See, so when we open AutoCAD, this type of screen comes. Yeah, so when we open the AutoCAD, this type of screen comes. See the recent drawings tab, we can show the it shows the drawings which we have created. List view, we can change the view style also. We want it to be in detail view, grid view, sort by the last opened or sort by the name you want. You can search also in the recent tab. So here you can see open, see your mouse cursor here, open is written. You can open a drawing from here also or click on the new drawing. Here see a AutoCAD symbol is there. From here also you can click on new open. See, I click on from here also when you click on plus, new drawing will open. From here new drawing, open drawing. So from here also you can open, see here also new is written, new open. AutoCAD symbol new open is there. So click on the new drawing. Again you want to go to the start menu, see here start is, just click on this, or from ACAD you can click on new open. So this way, here also see when you click on this, here many options are there. You can go back to this menu, close drawing from here, and so this you can toggle. So moving forward, so before starting, this was about interface. Here commands are there. Here, this is the command bar. Here it is written type of command. See, this is a grade lines, horizontal and vertical lines, known as the grid. So before starting any drawing, first we need to set the units. The for in AutoCAD, every command has a shortcut. The shortcut of units is UN. So simply type UN, then press space or enter to activate the command. See, the command will get activated and choose the units you want to work. Suppose I want to work in feet and fractional inches. So I change it to feet and inches. Inches I make it. So architectural means feet and fractional inches. Engineering means feet and decimal inches. Now click on OK. So see, now I will create a simple column layout. Suppose we have two columns. I will create two layers for that. I click on layer properties. From here, see, here new layer button is there. So one layer I create for column T1, one more layer for column T2. Change the color of both the columns. One more thing is like dimension style. The shortcut of it is D. See, you can type the command anywhere in the workspace. It is not like If you click here and type a command, then only you can type a command anywhere. This is the workspace of AutoCAD. This screen, what you are seeing, that is known as a workspace of AutoCAD. So you can type anywhere or click here, type a command, and type D and press space or enter and see and create a new event name. Okay, now here also you need to do the same. There also I selected architectural. So here also I will select architectural. This should be same. The primary units and the unit selected by typing UN. This should be same. Then only you will be able to see the dimensions correctly. Otherwise here unit is different and different units dimensions you will see. So here also it should be same. Text height you can adjust accordingly. Suppose 8 inches. Okay, from in the arrow size also you adjust 5 or 6 inches you can take. Now click on make this, click on this and click on set current and now close. So this is also set. I will create two columns. First change, let me change, I create two columns with the help of rectangle. See, I click on D dimension. Suppose column dimensions is 9 inches by 9 inches. Okay, click here. See, this one column has been created. This is 9 inches by 9 inches. Okay, hatch is also, I can hatch it also. Column has been created. One more column I create. Click on the dimension. This is of dimension, suppose 1 feet by 1 feet, 12 inches by 12 inches. I turn on the ortho mode for perpendicular measurements because now I create a simple column layout. So Suppose on all the corners, this column is there. For that, I'm just copying it. Now check the dimensions. 11 feet it has come again. It is better to check the dimension first. And I place it with 9 inches because 9 inches is the width of the column. So 9 inches extra I give. So A equal spacing of 11 feet is created. Okay, now this is created. Similarly, I create, copy this, and this is in the central base. And 12 feet and total is, see, I'm adding 1 feet width plus 11 feet. Get the accurate dimension. See, the middle, some remaining places, let that be the same color. Feet, total 9 feet gap I'm adding. This column layout is more or less. So this way you create a column layout accordingly, and then check these things using other software like StatPro. So I'm just teaching you. I'm this way AutoCAD you draw the column layout, specify the. You can give grid lines also, yeah, but you can give grid lines also. So you do it on your own. Give the grid lines. Grid lines should be dotted lines. So yeah, Thank